Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your man Chris, aka Mr. Bandit. We back with another reaction, man. Today, we have a ton of videos lined up, but this one caught my attention, man. I have yet to see it, and it's by one of the streamers that caught my attention, probably like in the last couple months, and all of his content has been really just off the charts for me. You feel me? Um, it's a different. It's his vibe is different as a streamer. I want to say, and a YouTube personality. He's really dope. He's down to earth, humble. Y'all probably hear me smacking on these cough drops, bruh. I have this nasty like hanging cough that's just dry and it's terrible, man. But I'm here trying to get these videos out to y'all, so it's grind over everything. You feel me? Um, but yeah, bro. I have yet to see it. The title caught me off guard. It says "Goodbye Apex Legends." So let's check this out. Let's see what he's talking about. This is by Crazy Ratchet, man. If you don't know him, go check him. Go search him out. He always attract like well, not always, but he attracts like some real toxic people in the Apex community. And yeah. So not further ado, let's just get into the video, man. Had a little pause right there.
Cheating here?
Okay. And this is a controller player, I
Yo,
think.
can we talk about this? Yo, what's up? I like your haircut. You looking mad cute. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. You looking cute as hell.
I
What's up,
think,
baby?
bruh,
Shut up.
like, I think he's using controller on PC. That's what I'm assuming. That's a really weird angle. It's such a weird angle.
After having so much fun, that's what you gotta do, bro. When you play Apex, you just gotta have fun. If you're not having fun, why you playing, bro?
Valid point. Valid.
They're trolling. They're trolling. I'm gonna push the rampart. I'm gonna push the rampart. Oh no way! Yo, hey, yo, bro! Hey, yo!
I like it cut, G.
I like it cut, G.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Hold up.
I like your cut, G. What the hell?
Fuck out my
Bruh,
lobby.
that
Trash,
was
like, I hate them.
actually nasty. I want to know
don't
why the
even try
video
that
says
shit, we
goodbye.
cheats.
Like, he didn't say anything about it.
Oh my god, she's won.
He just demolished that guy. That thing is so freaking strong.
I can't open a door, bro.
Oh, this is duos too. I don't know how people could play duos with randoms. Like, that crap's hard.
This is why we have the hammers, chat. No, there's two teams around me. Unfortunate. I would have loved to get his shit, but what are y'all doing, bro? On what country? Do y'all not hear the guys over there? Like, what are y'all doing? Come on, get together. Oh, shit! I'm sorry!
Bro, his knowledge and just game awareness is next level.
Shit!
It's really next level, bro. Like, you can't even make this type of stuff up.
Bro, why is everywhere I turn is another person, bro? I'm so scared. Oh, leave me alone.
It sucks that I gotta keep eating these things. Like, come on, cough, go away. Wow. I would have been hot. I'm not even gonna lie. I would have been pissed. Especially some crap like that.
Oh, with the beak.
Bro.
I'm gonna Q. I'm not gonna jump off the map. No.
His movement is so next level. Bro. Mozambique is so strong now with the hammers. With the ham bonies. His movement is so nasty.
Man. Or woman. Is the Watson still here? There's no way the Watson's still here. She 100% went to go.
Bro, if you look at my gameplay of this game, I am not that good. Looking at this guy inspires me to be okay. It inspires me to be okay at the game.
Watson's gonna come back to fucking kill me, and I know it. What up, Mimi? How you doing?
So this must be like stream highlights. That's what I'm assuming.
I was just vibing playing some Warzone. Nice, bro. That's a good game to play. Warzone's fun.
Warzone is absolute dog meat.
I have no patience for Warzone though.
I hate that game.
Right.
Probably it's just me. I'm not good at the game.
You thought so? Come on now, baby. Hey, big key. Hey, yo, my head right here. Yo, my head right here. You'll snipe me. My head right here. Oh, that's another one. How much did she shoot her at? She shot around like 5 of them, right?
Bruh, you know he's next level because listen to what are you talking about? He's counting their Kraber shots, bro. He's counting their Kraber shots. That's some halfway professional type
You gotta hit me.
And he's just playing with him. He's just playing with him. 3-on-1, definitely one of my favorite guns. Hands down. Hands down, one of my favorite guns. This dude is different, bro.
I love her, bro. Can I keep her?
Bruh,
Can I keep her, chat?
this is the type of gameplay that I
keep her?
want to produce one day. One day.
She's tired of my shit, bro. She's so tired. Oh, she's trying to Kraber me. I'm scared, chat. Chat, I'm scared. No. Yo, chill.
Bruh,
What's wrong with her, bro?
he is spending so much time on her. And he's just going for like trick shots. Where's the rest of the lobby? Is it just okay? It's just that one. It has to be.
I'm gonna keep my shield just in case. I don't trust her. Yeah! This is what we're here for.
Bro.
This is what we're here for. Good old fashioned boxing match with my girl right here. Hold on. She healing up.
Bro.
She ready for it.
These are the type of games that I
She's
wish I
ready
could
for
play.
it. What's up?
There's not many games that end like this.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, cutie.
After all that?
Oh, I jumped over. Ah, Wendy's.
There you go.
Get her out. GG's.
Bro.
GG's, bro.
That's the type of game that I wish I could have. I wish I could have.
She almost got you, cute ass. Almost. Almost don't count, though. Almost don't count. Nice.
Like, what
Hey,
the
one more
actual
you'd have been
hell?
good, boy. He left. Damn, that's
9
tough,
minutes
bro.
and not
How
even
boring would it be if I
100
just sat
damage?
here and I was just like, look at this fucking kid. Would you?
Hey, I've got something interesting for you.
Ah, that's-
How much
that's
money
tough.
did you make last month? 26,000. 26,000.
That's tough.
And I just argued the entire. I was just mad the entire.
Oh no. Stop the bullfire. Stop the bullfire. You gotta love those. Like, where'd that guy go? Oh, that hurts. Watch his teammate be like a lifeline or something. Be something weird.
Yo, bro, I don't think
Oh,
you
that's
should
a
be doing
pass?
that. To be honest with you, I don't think you should be doing that.
That's a good teammate. I almost cussed. I gotta stop cussing so much.
Yo,
Is that how that works?
talk.
Don't tell me you do it. Don't tell me you do it to him. Oh, he's a team player. He gonna go get his banner.
Right now, I don't know, chat. No way, I'm not dead.
Team player, 100%.
How'd you get over there, bro? This gun sucks.
With no extended mag or barrel stabilizer for the R99, it's
This gun
I
sucks, chat. If I had a
hate it.
301, that guy's getting beamed.
Oh,
like
I
an
hate
idiot
it.
At least.
I'm not gonna lie. I rather alternator over a 99. I mean
You guys are killing the game. You guys are killing the game.
I can't even think of the name of it. Like the fire per second or whatever. The fire rate, Jesus, is really good. It's fast, but
What the actual?
it's such a
crackhead, bro?
problem.
I didn't mean to jump off, no! She has hammers. She has hammers, chat.
Oh, that's a weird way. Like, I think I've had that happen to me probably like once or twice. I'm not gonna lie.
All you need
I'm not
to
gonna
launch a
lie.
cold
I've had it
skate
happen to
brand.
me once or twice.
Honestly, as long as you have a low.
Easy to win the game and just lose it. Like,
Ay, lo siento.
I just lose it.
See you on the next one.
But bro, if y'all night, if y'all don't know who this is, bro, definitely go check him out. Crazy Ratchet, awesome guy. Love a lot of his videos, like Toxic Girl, Toxic Racist Gamer. Like, he runs in like his how do you say it? His chances of running into toxic people are so high, it's insane. I see more toxic like videos under him than anything else, and it's just crazy. But yeah, if you like him, go follow him, bro. Go subscribe to his channel. Go show him some love. Go to his Twitch. Show some love. You feel me? There's not a lot of people who I would promote in a sense of just well-known likeness, but he is definitely like a positive person, and you see it in all of his videos. Like, it might be a front, who knows? No one can say unless you're actually in front of him 100% of the time. But from all of his videos, he's definitely one of my new favorite Apex Legends streamers and YouTubers. Like, his videos are awesome. But if you like the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go follow him. Go follow me. Leave a like on the video. Tell me another video you want me to react to, and I get to it. You think what I'm saying? It's been your man, Chris, aka Mr. Benny, and I'll see y'all next time on the flip side. Yes, sir. Yeah.